cat, dog, rabbit, parrot. How many animals can you name in English? Today we learn animals and pets. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Animals are everywhere in our homes, parks, and conversations. This vocabulary is fun and very useful. Let's start with common pets. Section 1. Pets. These are animals people keep at home. A dog, man's best friend. A cat, independent and calm. A rabbit, small and soft. A hamster, a tiny furry pet. A parrot, a bird that can talk. A goldfish, lives in a tank. A turtle, slow but long-living. We say, I have a dog. She has 2 cats. Practice. Do you have a pet? Say it in English. Section 2. Farm animals. These animals live on farms. A cow gives us milk. A pig gives us pork. A chicken gives us eggs and meat. A sheep gives us wool. A horse used for riding. A duck lives near water. Fun fact. We use different words for baby animals. A baby dog is a puppy. A baby cat is a kitten. A baby cow is a calf. A baby sheep is a lamb. Now you know the babies too. Section 3. Wild animals. These live in nature. A lion, king of the jungle. An elephant, the largest land animal. A bear lives in forests. A dolphin, very intelligent, lives in the sea. An eagle, a large bird of prey. A snake, no legs, often feared. A fox. Clever animals seen in cities too. You can use these to talk about nature documentaries. I love watching lions. Dolphins are so intelligent. Recap. Pets, dog, cat, rabbit, hamster, parrot, goldfish. Farm, cow, pig, chicken, sheep, horse. Baby animals, puppy, kitten, lamb. Wild, lion, elephant, bear, dolphin, eagle. Your challenge, tell me your favorite animal in the comments and tell me why you like it. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.